Hello, Sammler and Fallensteller. Hello, collectors and trappers all over the world. Today I want to show you my tiniest screwdrivers because I saw in the last days the videos of Mr. Tool Addict and Mr. Scoutcrafter when he showed their tiny screwdrivers. So first of all, I want to show you this little one here. A little short screwdriver. It's about 8 centimeters long. And this is another one. It's a little bit longer, but only 3 millimeters. And the third one with a wooden handle, it's 8 centimeters long. And here you see my little screwdriver with wooden handles. This one I got from a passed away coal miner from Bochum. And there is, I don't know, is it a marking here? I don't know. It's looking quite good. Seems to be a Swedish steel. The next one has a very nice handle. And I think this is a little screwdriver made for somebody who sews suits or something like that, to adjust the sewing machine. The third one is this one here. It's a nice little handle, wooden handle. It's from the same guy from Bochum. Maybe I will restore it sometimes, but I don't know. I don't know really. The third of these screwdrivers is this one here. It's looking quite good, I guess. And this one is a very beautiful thing. It's all from the Bochumer coal miner who passed away. And I got all that stuff for a little money. And this is my best one. It's an English screwdriver. It's looking not so good. Sometimes I will restore it. But now, in these days, the next days I will go in holiday. So, and now I want to show you a divider I bought on eBay. It's made from brass, and this divider is looking great. What do you think? Look at this. Wonderful. There's no marking to be seen, but I guess on the box, no. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.